Hi everyone, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creations YouTube channel, and today my husband took me to Michael's and he said that I could get whatever I wanted there. So I got a new craft to try. This was something that was new in the store, and this is what I got. So with this kit, it's a Blue Moon Studio UV Resin Deluxe Kit. You get everything you need to get started, and you can create one of these in minutes. Okay, with this kit it includes 25 grams of hard UVA resin, or whatever you call that, a 9-watt UVA lamp and USB cord, 1 usable silicone mold, 3 metal brazils, 90-inch of Fox suede cording, 10 jump rings. You get 6 dried flowers to create your jewelry, 1 gram of silver ultra fine glitter, 4 wooden sticks, silicone mat. You get scissors, tweezers, and easy to follow instructions to create your own resin jewelry. And that's the jewelry that they created on the front of the box. And I'll show you all what this is, all that's included. It says that you can create with this kit 3 necklaces or bracelets plus 12 extra charms. And this is all the stuff that you get. You get the UVA lamp here, and the cord, and the mold, and the UV rising cording, some dried flowers, glitter, scissors, tweezers, and Brazil charms, jump rings, and the sticks. That's all included in this kit. It contains everything you need to get started with Blue Moon Studio UV Resin Crafting. Results within minutes, cures almost instantly. Lamp, tools, and mold can be used for other UV Resin projects. Easy to follow step-by-step instructions. And this is going to be new to me. This is a new craft. I've never tried this before. And my husband told me to pick out whatever I wanted. And this was new in the store, so this is a new item that Michael's is carrying now. Michael's Arts and Crafts. So this is a new item. And I also got some more UV rising to create the, this is what you create, the charms that you put in the molds. So that's what this is. And this is more of the what you get with the kit. You get one with this kit, but he told me to get extra. So I got one of these, and I got some more molds. This silicone mold is a Paris mold, where you pour your resin in here and then you put it up under a UV lamp. You can put your glitter or whatever you want in there to color your charms or whatever you're making. And this is the ones that come in here. And all this is Blue Moon Studio. It's got a lot of glare to it. Sorry about the glare. And this is the Paris mold. Reusable. Creates unlimited project. Pieces pop out of mold easily. And then it shows you some of the ones on the back. Okay, I got that mold. And I also got some assorted glitters and fillers. It's got a lot of pretty glitter to put in your charms that you create with your Resign kit. And this one's, and it gives you some examples on the back. Add and combine filler and Blue Moon Studio UV Resin for endless possibilities. And that's project inspirations. And it tells you all what comes in this kit. I mean this container, kit container. And that one is assorted glitters and fillers. Let's see how they got the glitter in this here. That's how you can do with this here. And I also got this is a ring mold. Oh, it's got a lot of glitter to it. I mean a lot of glitter to it. This is a ring mold. And you can create rings with this. Reusable, creates unlimited projects. Pieces pop out of mold easily. And it has 6 sizes of rings. So on the back it tells you what the sizes are. It tells you that you can create a size 4, 5, 6, size 7, size 8, and size 9 ring. So that's all the different sizes you can create with this. You can create all the way up to a 9 size ring. And that's the sizes. Makes these sizes. And that's like a sample ring up there, like they made. A ring that you wear on your finger. And this is the silicone ring mold. Okay, I got that. And I got some of these fillable metal charms. You take and put the Resin in here and add your glitter or whatever you want in there. You fill the inside of the cross. And I got these. These are fillable metal charms. And you got 3 of these on here. And it tells you on the back how to do it. It says place charms on a silicone mat or onto Blue Moon Studio UV Resin tape. Do not place directly on the work surface. Fill with Blue Moon Studio UV Resin. Mix in tints and glitters. Layer in dried flowers, gems, and other fillers. Cure with Blue Moon Studio UV lamp or sun lamp. And it tells you how to do it. And it's got cautions. So I got this set here, Brazil charms. And I also got another, the kit comes with a mat. And I don't know why I got another one, but I got another because it was buy one, get one 50% off. I don't know if it's gonna, this is a silicone mat. You get one with the kit that I showed you. And that's what you lay these down on so the Resin don't come out of the back of it. So I don't know why I got one of these when this one already had one, but I'll keep them both. Okay, I got that. And then I thought this would be nice to get. This is the alphabet mold that you can create charms for necklaces or earrings or whatever you want to create with. And it tells you a little bit on the back how to do it. And this is the alphabet mold here. Okay, I got that. And I got this mold here. This is an earring shaped mold. Let's see if you see it. Earring shaped silicone mold. You can make earrings like this up here. This is all the designs that's in there. And this is for the UV Resin craft. I've never tried this before. And it tells you on the back how to do it. How you fill this with your rising and put your glitter or whatever you're going to put in there, or your color, whatever color you're going to make it. And then you put it under your UV lamp. And it's got a lot on the back to tell you how to do it. You have to cure it. And then you demold it. So these are earring shapes. This one here. And then I also got this hand drill to put holes in the rising when I create something that needs a hole in it. It's a hand drill. And that's what this is. It's a little blurry. It says drill a perfect size hole for Blue Moon Studio UV Resin jewelry pieces. And it tells you how to use it. So this is a hand drill. And that's what this is. It's a hand drill. You definitely need one of these so you can drill a hole in your projects. And if you want to color your rising, and I got blue, yellow, and pink. This is Resin Tints. It's a give your, because this is clear when you put it in there, and you have to add glitter and color if you want like glitter and color on it, but you can leave it clear and just add like dry flowers in your jewelry. And this comes with a blue, a yellow, and a pink. And this is Resin Tint. Okay. See, Resin Tints right up there. And you get 3 bottles of this in there. And it shows you can make it like a light pink, a middle pink, and then a darker pink. It depends on how much you put in there in your resin. And then it tells you, gives you some instructions on the back. How to shake it well and all. And add it to you. It says shake well before use. In a silicone mixing cup or disposable paper cup, mix 1 drop of tint into a small amount of Blue Moon Rising. More tint can be added to adhere the desired color. Add tint sparingly. Sparingly. Tints that are too dark or opal will affect the UV Resin cure time. If the light cannot reach the resin, it will not cure. Avoid dark or completely opera colors. Tints can be mixed together to create even more colors. And that's about it. And all this here on my table cost it was $120 some dollars, almost $130. But this is all what I got to start this new hobby. And I've never did this before. This is all new. And if you just want to just get the kit, everything in here is, it's got everything here to get started. So I really didn't need all this, but my husband told me to get extra if I wanted it. So I just went ahead and picked out all this. So I really didn't need all that, but this kit has everything in it. Like I said, it's got all this here. So this was a nice surprise to me. I didn't think I was going to get this today, but I wanted to get something new, a new hobby. I didn't want to get no paper or paper cutters or crochet or something like that. This here I can make stuff and sell on my Etsy shop, or wherever I'm gonna, like if my friends want to buy something or whatever, I can make stuff with this and sell it if I get good at it, because I do a lot of jewelry on my Etsy shop. And this, I thought this would be a nice to get started, to try to start to do some charms and stuff with this, and earrings and rings and bracelets or whatever. And I think this is going to be a really fun craft, a rising crafting to do. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, and that way if you subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified, and that way you can see everything I create on my channel. Have a blessed week. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.